Hello everybody, welcome back to the Burax Loft. I wanted to thank all the subscribers out there for coming back to the channel, and also want to thank all the new subscribers out there for coming to the channel. Well, I just wanted to give you a little more update. We've got a few more babies hatching today, so you can see down here, we got a couple more babies down there. Look at that. Yeah. That one there is that Adrian Pease bird. These guys are getting much bigger, see? Yeah, I know. And he's sitting on a fake egg, so I'm not sure if I should pull the dang thing or not. So as you can see here, it's just a fake egg. I put a fake egg underneath him just to see if that'd help her, maybe just sit on him a little bit. So I don't know. But oh, we got another baby there, just hatched today. Look at that. He's just coming out. See that? The baby's just coming out of the eggy. And these guys here, has only got one baby, okay? Their other eggy was not fertile. These guys down here, they just finally laid their eggs, so I know their eggs are fertile, so that's good to know. So. And the guys up here, okay? These are two white ones up here. Their egg is, they only had one baby hatch. The other one did not hatch. I'm not sure why, but anyways, my plan is now to take the baby from this one here and put it up underneath this guy here. It's my plan. I'm going to take and gonna mark the toenails with a black marker. That way I know which one it is when it comes time to banding. So that's my plan anyway. So, and then these guys here just had two babies today. I know you guys can't see very good. The light doesn't want to come on my phone, but I don't know if you can see that or not. But here, see, two babies. Yeah, you're okay. Yeah. And they got two eggies down there. They got one egg down here, and that's it. These guys' babies are doing pretty good, which is a good thing. And we got babies here. Yes, I know, Dad. I know. Yep, I got a couple babies here, so which is good. It finally got warm enough the other day to actually scrape some of the frozen poop. I just got home from work, so I'm just out here checking everything, making sure everything's okay. So. But like I said, just wanted to give you a quick update. So, and I know in the other loft, the one single egg that was in there, I'll show you her in a little bit here, or him and her. But anyways, their egg finally hatched too. So, but everybody's doing really good so far. Not quite old enough to band yet, but we're getting there. All right, I took this baby here and colored his foot. I tried to do just his toenail, but it didn't quite work very good. But as you can see here, I colored his foot really good, black. And as you see the other one here, the other foot is not colored at all. So, but I figured I'll put it up here with this one. They're only actually a day apart. Here, as you can see here. This is the one I just put in there, this one here. And there's the other one. So, but that way I can tell them apart when it comes time to band them, so I know which one's parents came off where. So I'm gonna mark on here, I put a pumper underneath this set here, so. And the reason I did that is because this pair down here are supposed to be, actually I know he's really good for long distance birds, and so is she. So that's part of the reason I want to get, some more babies out of these guys instead of just one egg, or one baby. I want to try to get a few more out of these guys. So that's my goal anyway. So that's part of the reason I'm doing that. So, if I had another baby in this loft here that only had one baby hatch, I would take and probably put, that's close to the same age, I would probably put it underneath that other one that's in the other room, or vice versa. Put the one that's in the other loft in this loft here. So, but like I said, I just wanted to kind of show you what's going on. So, Well, I just fed the birds here. This one here. And the one hen, the second to the end there, just had this little baby over here. See the baby? Nice and healthy in there. And you got Dad in there. Oh, these guys are getting almost close enough to big. These guys are getting big. Look at that. Those guys are getting big. Healthy little fingers. Sorry about that, guys. I'm trying to get it so you guys can see better. See? Nice and healthy. Healthy little squirts. Actually, I might have to try to either band them tomorrow or yet maybe even today yet. But they're definitely getting big enough. I usually just like to band mine anywhere from 7 to 10 days. I like to be more or less, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8 days. I'll bend them at 10 if I have to, but I try not to do that. But these guys are doing pretty good too. As you can see, one's almost double the size the other one is. So, and then down there too, those guys are doing good too. And so I got one more pair of eggs in here, and we got 20 birds down there. So they're a little nervous in here because I'm next to them when they're trying to eat. So I hope you enjoyed the little video here. So please like, share, and leave a comment below.